Hey everyone, Apple launched a brand new app called Apple Invites, designed to make event planning easier than ever for iPhone users. Whether you're hosting a party, a wedding, or just a casual get-together, this app helps you create invitations, track RSVPs, build music playlists with your guests, and even share pictures from the event easily. But there's a catch. Only iCloud Plus subscribers can actually create and send these invites. So is this app a game changer for Apple users or just another paywall feature? Let's dive in and see what Apple Invites is all about. Apple Invites is Apple's brand new event planning app that seamlessly integrates with iPhone, iCloud, and Apple Music. It's designed to simplify the invitation process, making it easy to send invites, track RSVPs, and even enhance your event with shared photo albums and collaborative music playlists. Let's go over some of the key features that Apple Invites brings to the table. Now, as I go through this video, I'll be showing you on my phone how that looks and what you can do on Apple Invites. So let's get started. With Apple Invites, you can personalize your event invitations in a few cool ways. To start off, you can choose a background from the photo library or just pick Apple event theme images. And if you have a supported device, Apple Intelligence Image Playground lets you create AI-powered custom invitation designs. So let's go ahead and open up Apple Invites. As you can see, we can make a new event with just tapping Create Event. And then to start off, we can add a background. We're gonna make a beach invite. So let's see if there's a beach theme that we wanna go with. Let's try this one, let's see. Let's try the other one. Let's see, adjust background, change background. Let's look at this water. That looks more like a pool day. So let's go back to the other one. All right, whoops, I removed the background, that works too. All right, so we're doing a beach day. We wanna go ahead and title it Beach Day. Then we can select a date and time. Let's make it next Sunday. Next Sunday, and we wanna make it at noon. Let's see, noon. No, noon. There we go. And then we tap on done. Location, let's say Pensacola Beach. Pensacola Beach. And done. So once you've added all your details to your event, Apple Invite integrates with maps and weather so your guests can get directions and check event day forecasts directly from the invite. Let me show you. So all the details are there, and if we scroll down, we can get directions here. And as you can see, this would be a horrible day to go to the beach because it's supposed to be raining. Then again, it's Florida, so we could see rain 1 minute and then complete sunshine the very next. The host can track response directly in the app, making it easy to see who is attending. Guests can RSVP via a simple link, no Apple account required. But if they don't have an Apple ID, they will need to provide an email and enter a verification code. In any case, whether they're using an iPhone, Android, or PC, guests can confirm attendance without needing an Apple Plus subscription, Apple ID, or an Apple device. Now, once you have your invitation ready to go, you'll be able to invite with a public link via messages or the mail app. You will get the option to approve or not approve your guest. And you can also add individuals right from your contact list. Now, this is a screen that the guests would see. And from here, like I mentioned, you see directions and you see the weather, and then they can tap on going, not going, or maybe. Now, by far, one of my favorite features is that after the event, guests can upload their photos and videos to a share album so everybody can relive the best moments in one place. Personally, this might be the main reason I try to use this app. Another cool feature of Apple Invites is that if you're an Apple Music subscriber, you can create a collaborative playlist for your event, and guests can even add their favorite tracks, so the music keeps playing the whole time. Now here's the catch. Only iCloud Plus subscribers can create and send invites. Plans start at only 99 cents a month, so if you're already subscribed to iCloud for extra storage, then you're good to go. However, Apple does make it accessible in some way to everybody. Anyone can RSVP, no Apple ID required. It works on the web at icloud.com/invites, so even non-Apple users can view event details and respond. This setup makes Apple Invites a little different than free event planning services like Partyful or Evite. which don't require a subscription at all. So if you're not already an iCloud Plus subscriber, you might want to stick to those instead. If you don't mind the iCloud Plus subscription requirement or already have it and you want to try Apple Invites, here's how to get it. Your first option is downloading it from the App Store, but keep in mind, you must be running iOS 18 to use the app. And the image playground feature for custom invite backgrounds requires an iPhone that supports Apple Intelligence. For example, the iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max, or the entire iPhone 16 lineup. So to download it, you go over to the App Store, then search and tap in Apple Invites. There we go. You'll see it here. Just tap on it, and then obviously you can just tap on download. Also, just a heads up, when I first searched for it, I couldn't find it, even after signing up for iCloud Plus. Maybe it was because it was still rolling out, so just be patient if it doesn't show up right away. You can also use Apple Invites on the web at icloud.com/invites. If you prefer planning events on a computer, this is a great option. One important note, there's no dedicated iPad app, but you can still download the iPhone version of the app on your iPad, and it'll work. It just won't look the best. It'll be interesting to see if Apple releases an iPad specific version in the future, but I highly doubt it. So is Apple Invites worth using? If you're already an iCloud Plus subscriber, it's a pretty solid tool. The seamless integration with iPhone, Apple Music, and shared albums makes event planning super convenient, especially if you're already deep in the Apple ecosystem. But if you're looking for a completely free event planning app, services like Partyful or Evite might still be the better option, since they don't require a subscription. What do you think about Apple Invites? Will you be using it for your next event? Let me know in the comments below. For me, I'm definitely going to give it a shot. I might even have to throw a random party just to test it out. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do a deeper dive on Apple Invites, and if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Apple updates. I'll see you guys in the next one.